Hi everyone, welcome to the June update for construction here at Corner House Residences. We've reached a couple of big milestones. Obviously we're at the halfway point of the year, but more importantly for us on site, we've finished the ground floor slab pour. It's quite congested just at the moment with all of the scaffolds setting up for level 1. We've also got blockwork trades have started on site. We don't have a lot of block work on this project. We've got mainly precast, but we do have a bit of block work here on the ground floor, forming up the common area services area. On Montague Street, on the far southeast edge, is where the Energex transformer is situated. It's on natural ground, so we've essentially got open air above it and natural ground below it for earthing. All we can see at the moment is the chamber that takes the high voltage cable in from the street. Cables then come in and connect into the switchboard that's in this room here behind me, and then it gets transitioned up in through risers into the rest of the building. So this Tetris looking configuration here is called a birdcage scaffold. So conventional scaffolding can't take the load that we need it to take with the height of this ground floor. We've got close to 6 meters from the ground floor slab to the underside of level 1. So this is the configuration that's required to take the formwork at that height above us. So we're now on the formwork deck of level 1. Level 1 is our transfer floor. I think I've mentioned that in previous videos, but just to recap, the transfer floor is the floor where any column misalignment from the tower to ground floor is picked up and the weight is transferred from the upper levels through to our ground into the basement. Part of that is a slab thickening. This particular floor is about 700 millimeters thick. So this level that I'm standing on now, the actual finished floor for the apartments will be, 700 or 800 mils higher. The activities at the moment are the Rio guys are laying the A and B layer of Rio. The plumbers are doing the first roughing for the apartment drainage. This section here is just being prepped now for what we call post-tensioning. It's a different style of structural slab configuration to what we call conventional slabs on the upper levels. The other aspect up here, it's a little hard to see with the external scaffold, but that extra height that we've given the building from ground floor to level 1 has elevated this level to quite an open view line. It's getting above the roof line of some of the buildings towards the retail high street, and it's at or about the roof line of the residential zone that's across the road. Thanks for tuning in. That's it for this month's update. As we alluded to in last month's, this is a major milestone for us. So getting the ground floor completed has signaled the end of a 6-month journey coming from what was ground floor down and then now back up again. So we're back to where we started from, but with a lot more of Corner House built. Next video, we'll see quite a good deal of level 1. That will be our next major milestone before we get into the typical floors. Once we get past level 1, the project will accelerate in terms of per floor cycles. We're really happy with how the site team's going, as has been the case in previous months. Everything's holding to program quite well. So we're in a great spot at this ground floor milestone. Thanks for tuning in, as I said, and keep well until next video. Bye for now.